Let's go, everyone! Today, super excited to be unboxing this iPad Pro Smart Folio case. So this is what the package looks like. Oh, cool. Pull tabs up top. That's new. It's always fun finding where Apple puts the pull tabs. So they got some text on the bottom here. Here's what the back looks like. It's new for the new iPad Pro with M4 Smart Folio case. Looks like they added more angles, so more viewing angles on different magnet locations on the new iPad Pro and this folio case where you can adjust multiple viewing angles. So that's exciting. I'm excited to use this. This is for the 11-inch Pro. All right, let's get to it. Pull tab up top. That's pretty cool. Therapeutic pull. Let's see. Wow. This is looking nice. Alright, this is supposed to mimic the iPad Pro with M4, super thin, Apple's thinnest product ever, smaller than the iPad Nano. Still can't believe that they got a iPad Pro thinner than the original Nano, or thinner than all their products. That's pretty amazing. Yeah, this is sick. Has the Apple logo there in the back. Has the cutout for the cameras. Protects the front and the back. Little engraving there. This is sick. Oh yeah. I'll get the iPad in here and test it out. Cool. Let me know what you guys think of this in the comment section below. I'll drop a link in the video description on where you can get this from. And yeah, hope you're all doing well. Catch you in the next unboxing video. Later.